Hello everyone, and I welcome all of you to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. And friends, there is a good news here. There is a big news here. So Infosys has started sending the shortlisted mail for the interview round. So Infosys has released the result for the exam, which was conducted on 21st of November 2021. Friends, as I had said, the result will be declared within 10 days. And now you can see the written round was conducted on 21st of 11, and today is 27th of 11. That means within a week they have released the result. So this mail has been sent from Infosys Fresher recruitment team, and the mail has come at 7:54 p.m. Okay, so friends, if you read the complete mail, then you will come to know what all Infosys has sent. So watch the video till the end, because I'm going to tell a lot of things in this particular video. So Infosys off-campus recruitment drive, you have been shortlisted for the interview round. Okay, and that mail has come from Infosys Fresher recruitment team, and today 8 p.m. Okay, to Infosys. Now you can see here. So hello, thank you for participating in our off-campus recruitment drive and taking out the time to appear in the Infosys online test. Okay, so you might be able to read. If not, I can zoom a little bit. Okay, and now if we come down, then you can see. So thank you for participating in our off-campus recruitment drive and taking out the time to appear in the Infosys online test. We are happy to inform that your profile has been shortlisted for the interview round. The interview will be conducted virtually, and it will assess your technical and behavioral skills. The interview process will commence shortly. The confirmation for the interview along with the other details will be shared with you at least 48 hours before the scheduled date and time from talent.acquisition@infosys.com. So friends, I will tell you. So now the interview calls will be first coming to CS IT. Okay, that means first it will come to IT people. Okay, IT branches, and then it will go to non-IT branches like mechanical, civil, electrical, electronics. So the first it will start with CS and IT branch, and then it will be with other non-IT branches. Okay, so now within 2 days, so today 27th, 28th and 29th, so within 29th, whoever has been selected from in Infosys test, so they will be getting the result, and your interviews will again start within a week. So suppose today is 27th, then you can assume from 3rd or 4th your interview is going to start. So friends, now it's time to prepare. Do not waste your time. And friends, you can see Infosys interview preparation material for 2021 batch, new pattern for all stream. Okay, now friends, this material is very, very important if if wanted to get a seat in Infosys. Okay, so many of the student has bought this material, and even you can see the content. Okay, so there is a lot of content is there. Okay, so around, if we'll talk about the pages, so 79 pages are there, and definitely this material is going to help, and it is available for all the branch. Do not wait. Okay, because the time is very limited. Your interview is going to start just in a week time. Okay, so do not wait. And if you have not received the interview mail 8, then please wait. You will be receiving the interview mail till Monday if you are selected. Okay, now, so here are the mandatory instructions and guideline you must adhere for participating in the virtual interviews. Use the latest version of Google Chrome, okay, web browser to open the interview link. Ensure a stable internet connection with a minimum speed of 10 Mbps. The device being used to take the interview needs to have a working webcam. Okay, present your original college ID card and the government ID photo proof during the interview for the verification process. Be seated upright with your face clearly visible so that it can be constantly captured by the webcam. The surroundings should be as quiet as possible with no background noise. You must dress in the smart casuals as you would for a formal interview process. Okay, so friends, this all those things and even on our channel we have done a lot of interview experiences who has got selected in Infosys, and we will be keep doing till your interview. Okay, so friends, do not wait. If you have got the confirmation mail, selection mail, then get this material and start study from today itself, because your interview is going to start within a week. If you have not got the mail yet for the selection, wait till Monday, because they will be sending in kind of batches, you can say. So it will be queued, so everybody will be, whoever is qualified, you will be receiving the selection mail. And friends, if you think our material, our videos, our channel, okay, online study for you has helped you in achieving your goal, okay, helped you in your selection till your written test, then do comment below, okay, that definitely our channel or our resources has helped you, and we are again gonna help you in your interview preparation as well. Sit back and relax, have a trust on us, and we will be doing each and everything for you guys. Okay, so let us know how many of you are selected and how many of you think that we were the reason in your selection. So thank you friends, and all the best for each and everyone. Those who has got the result, those who have not got the result, please wait till Monday, you will be definitely getting it. And now you're going to prepare for your interview along with us. Do get this material and start your preparation. So thank you friends, and we are always there with you. All the best.